Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this short lecture we are going to see how to derive the trigonometric value for special angles, basically for 45 degree, 30 degree and 30 degree. Let's start. For driving 45 degree we can use unit circle, because we can locate the point P on unit circle for 45 degree, then we can easily find the sine, cos and tan value of 45 degree. Okay, when we make 45 degree to this unit circle, it bisects the first quadrant into two. It means the right angle triangle which created by this 45 degree will be isosceles triangle. It means OD and PD lengths are equal. So using Pythagoras theorem we can find this point P, because OD square plus DP square gives 1. It means PD will be radical 2 over 2. So since both x and y are equal, having a value of root 2 over 2, we can find sine by opposite over hypotenuse. Its opposite side will be root 2 over 2 over 1, which gives root 2 over 2. The same for cos value. So this cos theta will be this OD over OP, which gives root 2 over 2 over 1, which is root 2 over 2. And the tan value will be opposite over adjacent side, which gives 1. Like this, for 30 degree and 60 degree, let's consider an equilateral triangle ABC in our case. This equilateral triangle, since it equilateral means having the same side and the same angle, so let it have a side of 2 units. So each side AB, BC and AC have a length of 2 units. Then let's bisect this equilateral triangle into 2. It means you have an altitude, this BD, an altitude which bisects this angle ABC into 2. It means it will divide this one into 30 degree and 30 degree. And when it bisects this one, the length AC will be divided equally to 1 and 1 unit. Thus, we can find this, the length, the altitude h, using Pythagoras theorem. Simply 1 square plus h square, which gives 2 square. So h could be found radical 3. Then for this 30 degree, here there is 30 degree and here there is 60 degree. For example, for 30 degree, the sine value will be opposite, that means 1 over hypotenuse is 3. And the cos value will be its adjacent side is h over hypotenuse. Its hypotenuse is 2, so h over 2. Our h is radical 3, so radical 3 over 2. Its tan value will be opposite, that means opposite to this one, this AD 1 over adjacent is h, so 1 over radical 3. So the sine value will be 1 over 2 radical 3 over 2, 1 over root 3, or rationalize the denominator, which gives root 3 over 3. The same way, for this 60 degree, we can find the trig value from the definition. So sine of 60 degree will be its opposite side, that is h over hypotenuse 2. Our h is radical 3 over 2, and its cos side will be 1 over 2, and its tan value will be its opposite h over 1. So you can easily find the trig value for this using this equilateral triangle method. So don't forget the value, because we will use all these values throughout our course. So remember, the sine value of 30 degrees is half, its cos value is 3 over 2, its tan value is root 3 over 3. For 45 degree, both sine and cos value are root over 2, and its tan value will be sine over cos, which is 1. And sine value of 60 degrees is root 3 over 2, cos will be half, and tan value will be radical 3. Note that the cos value of sine 30 degree is the same as cos value of 60 degree, and sine value of 60 degree is the same as cos value of 30 degree. You should remember that. Thank you for listening. We will continue next on how to find related angles and how to know the sign of these values, because it can be the degree on quadrant 1, quadrant 2. When quadrant changes, the sign will be changed. So for these issues we're gonna learn in the next lecture. For now, goodbye.